Mates, if you've ever opened professional editing software, you know how terrifying it is. Hundreds of buttons, tracks, and confusing settings. But what if making a video was as easy as texting a friend? My name is Daniel, and I've spent enough time testing video platforms to know when something breaks the usual pattern. Medeo does exactly that by letting you create through conversation instead of menus and timelines. What you're seeing on screen right now is the actual replay of a video being made. Fast-forwarded from the first prompt to the final result. No cuts, no tricks. Today I'll show you how it works and why it might solve problems you've been working around for too long. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's dive into it! Friends, think of the last time you tried to make a video. How much of your effort went into the idea and how much into fighting the tool? Most platforms ask you to become an editor. Medeo asks you to become a director. It is an AI video assistant that works through conversation. You describe your vision, whether it's a clear shot list or a rough mood, and it handles the rest: scripting, finding assets, and editing. Medeo is built for any video category, from social clips and product demos to educational content and cinematic scenes. Folks, the platform is built for those who want control without complexity. Whether you're creating content for social media, courses, or new formats, it helps you focus on your ideas instead of fighting with software. Beyond its library of licensed assets, the platform actively maintains your visual style, keeping characters and aesthetics consistent from one project to the next. Basically, Medeo is designed to collapse the usual trade-off between ease of use and professional results. You get both without needing a technical background or spending hours on tutorials. Alright guys, let's see what makes it different in practice. Right away, you'll notice there are no complicated timelines or cluttered interfaces. The design stays minimal. Before jumping into creation, you can explore the recipe section. Here, Medeo groups ready-made formats by category, from anime styles to music videos and short cinematic concepts. Each recipe includes short preview clips that quickly show the pacing, visual style, and overall mood. Mates, let's try something ambitious. I'll create a cinematic cyberpunk teaser. Instead of hunting for footage or music manually, I just write a prompt. In the settings, I can tell it to pull content from a URL or upload my own files. I'll set the format to 16:9, duration to 30 seconds, and leave everything else on auto. That includes asset source, AI style, and voice. Now I'll hit generate and wait. It took less than 5 minutes. Let's see what Medeo actually did. Creating this kind of video normally requires a team: a writer, a cinematographer, and an editor. But look at the chat. The AI essentially hired that team for you. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. So first, it planned the structure and built a story: a hacker, a chase, a final showdown. Then it created a character reference to lock in details like hair and clothing. That way the same person appears in every frame. This is called visual consistency, and it used to be one of the hardest problems in AI video. Next, it made a storyboard with key moments laid out as static frames. Then it turned those frames into 5-second clips, added music, and assembled everything into a timeline. You can see the editing interface right here. Each clip sits neatly on the timeline, and all the generated media files are stored in the panel on the side. Friends, let me play it. The result looks sharp, but as the director, I want changes. I want a more alarming mood with red tones. So I type that command directly into the chat. This is one of Medeo's defining features: editing through conversation instead of manual adjustments. I'll run the command. It updates the task list and regenerates everything in red. If I did this in a traditional editor, I'd have to color grade every frame separately, find new effects, and rework the audio. That's hours of work. Medeo did it in seconds. Folks, now look at the result. This isn't just a red filter slapped on top. The AI fully regenerated the scenes. Light fell naturally on the character's face, shadows got deeper, and alarm signals appeared. But most importantly, our character stayed the same. The system understands it's the same person under different conditions. That stability used to be nearly impossible for neural networks to maintain. You also have full manual control. You can rearrange clips, adjust sound, add your own audio tracks, or pick different music. You can delete sections or tweak details by hand. It works like a complete editor. When you're done, you can either share a link or export the video and download it directly. Mates, here's another great real example worth showing. Let's look at a replay featuring a cat and a dog, created using the Clean 2.6 model. In this case, a detailed prompt was used to describe exactly what should happen in the video. A photo of a cat was uploaded and used to replace the original dog character. Medeo understood the request and rebuilt the entire video around that new character. All frames were regenerated consistently, turning a single image into a full podcast-style video.
Timothy's suit at the Golden Globes is amazing!
How amazing!
Amazing enough to beat Leo for Best Actor!
The result is a complete and humorous video. You can watch the replay right away or create your own version using the same approach. My friends, let's wrap it up. Medeo flips the usual script. Instead of you learning how the software thinks, it learns how you think. You talk, it builds. You adjust through conversation, not through hunting for the right menu. That shift alone saves more time than any tutorial ever could. Guys, if the gap between your ideas and finished videos has felt too wide for too long, Medeo might actually close it. For creators, marketers, and anyone who needs to communicate visually, it's a pretty solid change in how we work. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.